Hello! It's Halloween 2025! Halloween ngayon sa office.
Woody's costume. So you're Woody now.
What's your name?
See you there! Kami sa office. Ready na si Woody. Trick or treating. Woody! Ang kanyang last minute costume. Buti pumayag na si Woody. Excited na yan. Say hi. Pa.
Teka lang.
Ayan ko nga yung...
Pindutin mo, G.
G.
Go, come on.
Outside or inside?
We will go inside. This is the way. Inside.
This?
Here. This is the way. Come on. Tara. Let's go in line. Pupunta ka muna. Dito pa, dito. Wow! Teka lang, ipe-press ko lang to. Hindi ka marunong. O, D. Letter D. Hanapin mo yung letter D. Oh, come on. Let's run. Let's run.
Bakit may pangalan ba?
Oo, para alam mo kung saan ka pupunta.
Dapat pag may stapler dito, stapleran mo dito kasi bumababa.
Wala kami sticker.
Kaya dito.
Dapat daw isa lang, pero pumayag siya kasi. Sabi ko, wala po kasi magdadrive pa uwi. Sabi niya, okay lang.
Is it fast?
Okay, don't remove this, okay? Okay. Thank you.
I'll not remove this.
Alright. Ito po, ididikit sa ano. Dikit niyo.
Why? I will not remove it.
Yeah, you.
Oh, this is yours. Hold it.
So that you'll get more candies later, okay?
Say thank you. Thank you po. So, yan yan.
Ang saya niya.
Picture.
Oh, sige. I'll take your video. Careful, ha?
Alam mo yung idea.
Wow, Woody.
Tutorial says, wave your hand. Tutorial says, jump 3 times. Tutorial says, spin around. Touch your head. Okay, everyone who touch their head, out.
Out.
If you touch your head, sorry, you're out.
Dapat may tutorial. Taurus.
Very good. So those who touch their heads, you're out. We have another.
Did you touch your head?
Hindi.
Okay. Who's out? Okay. But you can go back to your seat now. Thank you. Raise your right hand. Okay. There's no Totoro there.
There's no Totoro says.
Okay, everyone who raised their left hand, you're out. We will join later, okay? There's another game later. Okay.
Yeah, you're out.
Okay, for the last round,
You raise your hand eh.
whoever do Totoro says the fastest is the winner. Okay? Raise your left hand. Totoro says raise your right hand. Totoro says jump. Raise your left foot. Totoro says raise your right foot. Totoro says jump. Parang kayo nabago dito. Okay, come here. Walk. Careful. Okay, group 1. Okay, next.
Come on, group
Last person for group 1.
Let's do this.
And last one for group 1. Okay, everyone, let's give a hand for group 1.
Ang galing
Hasan Abueles.
Winner
Madam, are you still here?
Sabi niya po sila, Mama, ano yun? Sa mga, ano yung sabi mo? Kamoy din. Tapos bigyan siya na lang.
Ang galing
Reception.
Let's go. Go. Go inside. Go. I know what's that. Wow. Okay, dito. You want to take a picture?
Wala mag-delivery.
Tara na. Let's go, Kai. Thank you. Anong gusto mo ba?
Vita.
Bigat. One. Iba pa. One more. Go. Lakasan mo. Go. One. O, isa pa. Thank you. Boom. Ewan ko na lang kung hindi pa ma... Good job! Thank you! Thank you. Hindi ka naman nag-catch eh. Nag-catch ka ba? Tung. Turn time. Nips. Inaay niya na yun, oh. Thank you. Oh, dito ka na. Yeah. Ito pa, more. You get more. Thank you. Oh, dito naman. Dito. One lang? You get more, Kai. There.
Oh, I will help you. I know my nips, oh.
Ayan na, all na. Andito na.
Oh, I put it.
Halika na. Thank you na. Dito na. Oh, dito, last one.
Get.
Go, sige.
Another one.
Another one daw. Thank you. Ito po, oh, sayang. O, tara na, Kai. Yeah. Tara. Kai. Wow, you got your favorite. Tara. Go. Ayun, oh. Ito, oh. Thank you. Dito pa kayo. Dito pa. Ang dami na niya. Dito muna. Yan. Sige. One more.
Mayaman dun, oh. Tatap.
Dito na. Ang cute naman. O, again. Go. Many. Yeah. Get more. O, tama na. O, tara. Dito naman. Tara, dito na. Dito. Ito, get mo. Ay, one lang. One lang ito. Yan. Thank you. Ayan, get mo yung bag. Grabe, isang floor pa lang. Pero ang OA, ang dami ng iba.
Why there's so many?
Goodie! Asan yung basket mo? Asan yung basket mo? Where's your basket? There. Very good. Do you want something pink? It's not turkey. Thank you. Ay, ito pa. Thank you.
Play a game?
Are you wanna play a game?
Meron tayong game dito, Woody. Go! Yeah, ito. May game tayo, tapos ito yung prizes. So kapag nanalo ka sa game, you will get these prizes. Okay? Sige, lagay mo muna sa pumpkin. Okay? Okay, you have to go the road and find the other one. Yeah, you can go. Yan, congrats, you matched it. Find the other one. Okay, have Gigi. Gigi, where's the other Gigi? Okay. Oh, where is it? Congrats, Woody. Which one do you want? This one? Okay, congratulations!
Happy Halloween! Thank you! Yes, ka. Yeah.
Where's the candy?
Ayun.
Dito.
Where's the leaf?
Transfer muna dito.
Where's the leaf?
Make it full muna. Make it full.
Nips daw yung nips. Thank you. Wow. Thank you
Ito,
po.
sa boss namin. Kay boss.
Kaya dito.
She's our boss.
She's my boss. Thank you po.
Why am I so sad?
Dali, stand up ka dito sa back. Come on. Halika na.
Ayun yung malaki. RMP.
Oh, ikaw, bonus ka na. The paper, get the paper. Oh, come here na kay. Put it in your bag. Dali na, mask lang yan. Come on. Oh. Wala. Kuya lang yan, naka-jacket niya. Ah. Say thank you. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Okay. Nag-disclaimer na agad. Like,
Fun with nips yan. Sarap yan. Fun with nips.
later, later.
Ayun o.
Ayun no, so many nips. Meron pang nips oh. Thank you.
Just the red. Get hindi.
One lang.
One lang. One lang. Di mo dun.
Exchange tayo, exchange. Exchange tayo. I'll never get this one. Where's the candy? There. Ano pa naman yan? Hindi pa ngipin na nagganti.
Thank you po.
Picture anak.
Ah.
Say kiss my mami.
No side. Ayun. Ayun side.
Ayun siya, shy ka sa kanya.
They're partners.
Thank you. Kaya punta ka dito oh, sa back nun. Kunwari, you're riding the bus also. Ah. Okay na, tara. Ito pala ang cute nila oh. Ito oh. Ito oh, sila ang cute. O, tayo na, let's go sa kabilang side. Come on, let's go. Ito pa, oh. Get ka ng loot bag dito. Get ka ng loot bag. Thank you. I'll put it back. Did you have fun in Mama's Halloween party? You have so many candies. Itong bag na to. Ito pa. Let's go. All time na to say goodbye.
You're gonna come with me?
No, we're gonna work.
Where? Mom, I want to go to Nino's condo.
Nino is
Nino is working pa eh.
Where?
In his office.
he's not
Maybe
home.
Nino's also.
Wala.
Ninong's house is closed. Because they are...
All done. Trick or treating. Uwi na sila. Mag-work na kami. Did you have fun?
Did you have fun now? Bagsak si Woody. Pagod sa trick or treat niya sa opisina ng mama niya. Ayan yung mga nakuha niya. Ayan, puno yan. Saka itong bunsita puno. Ayan. Bagsak. Taon po nakatulog.
Dami yan.
Uy, you have toys, oh? Oh, you have lots of things.
Grabe. Nagana na pamaskuhan ah.
Wow! Wow! Wow, you have so many candies.
Tatay, that is a legend fun.
Eh?
A picture. Take a picture. Wait lang. Oo, wait lang.
Camera ha.